what we're going to attempt to do, we've taken the tape off the other side of this grommet. And what we're going to attempt to do is we're going to push a fiberglass rod. I'll have to use something different, I think. I want to push up beside those wires and under that grommet. Alright, this fiberglass rod's got a little bit of heat shrink on the end of it. Protects things a little bit softer. We can just get through here. Yep, we're coming out under the skirt. Yep. Can we get the other end out? There you go. Pull that right the way through. Okay, so what we've done is we've managed to get managed to undo the tape on the other side and stay underneath the skirt of the rubber grommet. So by staying underneath the skirt of the rubber grommet, you prevent the need for lashing a hole in it or otherwise brutalizing the rubber grommet. And we should be able to put that rubber grommet back in its place. And we'll have a look at it from the other side. There you go. So we can now see, hopefully we can now see that we've put our fiberglass draw rod underneath the rubber skirt. Here's another little tip for installers, and particularly if you're dealing with coax cable. If you have difficulty drawing coax cable, a lot of the time of course we're just taping it to things, but you can actually split it. Split the outer jacket like that, peel the black off like that. That exposes the braid, the woven braid. You can then push this back up in this direction like that and snip the center out like that. We can now use that to go up over our draw rod. So we can ease that braid up over our draw rod like that. There you go. When you pull on that, it should then become tighter, and it's all completely in line. And to stop it from coming off when you draw it, just wrap a little bit of tape around here. Now, always leave because this is only a temporary tape, always leave a little bit of tag end here and twist it off like that so you can peel it off easily at the other end. Now that will not come off of there, so we'll be able to draw this through underneath the skirt of that rubber grommet. And because all of this is in line and relatively smooth, it should go through there very easily. Another little technician's tip. I've just trimmed this antenna. There's another video on the site to tell you the length to trim things and how you go about checking for VSWR. But this piece of wire, don't throw them away. They make damn good kebab sticks. So if you like cooking on a barbecue and you like kebabs, form a ring at that end of the wire and just partially sharpen this end so you can stick it through a dead chicken. Okay, make great kebab sticks, and when you finish putting them on the kebab you can wash them and use them again. There's another use for them, which is probably more appropriate to what we're doing today. You can make this thing. Well, this is my design of it. It's just a triangle at this end, so you've got something to get a grip of. At the other end we've got a rudimentary hook, and you will find these incredibly useful for picking at insulation tape which is wrapped around cable looms. Sometimes these insulation tapes that are wrapped around cable looms are that damn tight you can't actually get the tape off, and you can use this to just gently pick away at the insulation tape until you can get the tape started. Okay, so secondary purpose for the leftover pieces of your antennas.